any doubt in this one? No? Anyone has any doubt?
Can you repeat?
Anyone has any like doubt in till example number 7?
Can you explain again the example number 7?
Which one?
The example number 7.
Okay. Where I...
No, I get it.
Hmm?
Actually, I get it. I get
You
it.
got
Yes,
it. Okay. It was nothing. It was like you just need to divide it.
yes.
Right? In the first
Basically,
question you multiply. Here you need to divide it. Okay. Okay. I hope everybody can see example number 8.
yes, ma'am.
So it says find the smallest square number which is divisible by each of the number 6, 9, 5, 15. Clear? You have to find the smallest square number which is divisible by all of them. So in this case, what you need to do whenever these type of questions come, the first thing is that you will find the LCM of 6, 9 and 15. Okay? You get the LCM of 6, 9 and 15. For that, you will do the prime factorization. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? So I'm just writing the step over here. The first step over here would be that you will be taking the 6, 9, 15, all of them LCM. Whatever that come, okay, that you will do prime factor. Okay. If it makes pairs, like all the pairs are there, then that will be the smallest square number. But in case if it is not, right, at that time, what you need to do, how to make a perfect square, what you will do?
We do the prime factorization and the number
Okay,
which
let me just ask you one question. For example, I did a prime factorization of this number. For example, let's just say 29. Okay, I did this prime factorization 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. Not 4, for example, let's just say 7. Okay. So in this case, of course, this has only one pair. So that means this is not a perfect square. Right? So how would I make this perfect square? Hmm? Tell me. How will I make the perfect square of this number?
multiply 2 and 7.
Yes. I'll
And
multiply 29 with 2 and 7 because they don't have any pair. Okay, so I'll multiply it. Okay. So similarly, in this scenario also, if after doing prime factorization, for example, if all, like you have all the pairs, then it means it is fine, right? But in case if it don't have any pair, then at that moment, what you will do, the number which don't have any pair, you will multiply that number with that. Clear? And you will make a prime fact, like you will do the prime factorization after that. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, and those number like what, and after that, like, so over here, so after getting that, you will get one number. Over here, you don't need to do prime factorization. That number would be the smallest number, right? Which is divisible by each number 6, 9, and 15. Clear? Good evening, Ronnie. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I didn't understand the example 8. Is it okay if you can explain again?
Yes. Ronnie, I can't see you. I can't see you. Now I can see you. Okay. So let's just start. Ronnie, I just started with why you were not there in the previous class. Ronnie, tell me, where were you?
Ma'am, I went out for a walk, so I could not.
So you watched the recordings?
I couldn't find the recordings.
Then how would you get whatever I taught in the previous class? So today you will ask your counselor for the recordings and I'll ask them whether Ronnie asked for the recordings or not. Okay? Of course, you are aware when you miss the class. So you will just put the date and you will tell them that please show me the recording of that particular day. Okay? Okay, so I'm just starting with example number 8. So everybody, like I'm just teaching the step how to find it. Do you know how to solve example number 8? Read it and tell me.
Find the smallest square number which is divisible by each of the numbers. Means 9, 6, 9, and 15.
Any idea?
No? So the telling we have to find the square numbers which are like which is divisible by 9, 6, and 15.
Yes. So do you know what do you have to do here? How will you find it?
So we have to find the small square numbers but from 6, 9 to 15 and see that it is divisible.
So do you know the step? Okay, I just got a text from the counselor. Everybody need to switch on the cameras. Okay, your video, like I'm the only one who can see your video. Nobody else will be able to see your video. Okay, so you people can switch on the videos. Okay. So, okay. So now basically what I'm doing, I'm just teaching you the steps. Okay. Now, first of all, whenever these type of questions comes, right? The first step is like whatever numbers they have given, you will just do the prime factorization of that number. So prime factorization of 6, 9 and 15. Okay. After doing prime factorization of, sorry, you'll find the LCM of 6, 9 and 15. Okay. Once you got the LCM, whatever number you will get as a LCM, for that number, you will do prime factorization. Okay. Once you do prime factorization, if while doing prime factorization, all the numbers have the pair, that means that is a perfect square. But in case it doesn't have, like for example, you have two scenarios. One, you can get it like this, right? If you get it like this over here, you can see pair, pair and pair, right? So you will write 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 and this will be your final answer. Okay. The second scenario can be like for example, you got this. Okay, in this you have only this pair, right? So what is missing? 3 and 7 is missing, right? So what you will do? You just need to, whatever the answer was, that you will multiply with 3 and 7. Okay, and whatever answer comes, that will be your final answer. Okay, everybody got it? How you have to find the smallest square number?
I didn't get it. I didn't get
Who didn't get it?
Yes.
Who didn't get?
Sorry, ma'am, me.
Okay. So Sindhu, do you got this, that you have to find the LCM first?
6, 9 and 15.
And then the prime factorization of that particular number?
Sorry, but I can't recall a prime factor.
Prime factorization is this. For example, you got 40. So 220.
Oh, same as LCM.
Yes. Okay. I hope everybody got it. Ronnie, you got it? Chakrika, Gauri, Naisha.
Yes, I got.
Okay. Okay, so now you people will quickly do this and then we'll discuss the answer. Like after 2 minutes, I'll solve this and I'll ask answers. Okay?
Mom, I'll come back once, okay?
Ronnie?
Mom, I'll come back once to go check the book.
Okay, quickly.
Should we leave out the square number?
Sorry?
Should we leave out the square number and multiply the rest of it with the prime factor, with the number which we got when prime factorizing?
Yes. The number which is like, for example, after finding prime, where are you? Tell me in which point you are.
Ma'am, I found the LCM.
Then
Then I
find the prime factorization of this. And if all you get the answer like this, all have a pair, then well and good, that will be your final answer. In case if anything is missing, okay, then with that number only, the missing number only, you will multiply this number. Okay?
Prime factorize the LCM again.
Yes, but over here it's like this 2, 2, 3, whatever comes. See, everybody, what is the difference between LCM and prime factorization? LCM and prime factorization, right? So over here, LCM
at the same time, but in prime factorization, it's only one point.
yes, see, for example, if I say LCM of 20, so it will be of this. So 2, like LCM, I'm just asking about different number, na 6, 7, whatever it is, right? But in prime factorization, you will only write this. Okay, in LCM, you write the total, like after multiplying all of that, what you get. Fine? Everybody?
They didn't understand. How do you get the LCM if there are not pairs? So like those numbers which don't have pairs, you have to multiply it with something. Or ma'am, after like you get the LCM, you have to multiply all the numbers. Once you get that number.
Yes. You have to multiply all that number. Like you have to find the LCM like this. 6, 9 and 15. Okay. So 2, 3, rest would be same. Right? Then 3, 1, 3 and 5. Yes. And here 3, 1, 1 and 5.
All the questions.
Right. This is the LCM, right?
This is the LCM. I'm doing here LCM. Now you will multiply this 2, 3, 3, 5. Whatever that comes, that will be the LCM. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Naisha?
I was just getting confused in all the questions for which thing you have to do which answer.
Yeah, that's why I'm just teaching you the example. I just taught you 3 examples. In the first example, I only taught you that if in case if and I just gave you one number and that number is not a perfect square. So how would you make that number a perfect square? Okay. In this scenario, I'm teaching you, you have to find the smallest number. The other scenario I taught you that you need to divide it. That's it.
No, this is also have to divide it, right? Which is divisible.
No.
Oh, okay, now.
You just find a number. You have to find the smallest number. Okay, students, I am doing it here. I just found the LCM. So what was the LCM? LCM 2, 3, 3 and 5.
3 into 5.
So tell me what will be the answer?
90.
90?
90.
90. This is my LCM. Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, do the prime factorization. 2.
I get basically the same thing.
Okay. Okay, so you got 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So only over here, these two have a pair, but these two don't have a pair. Right? Yes?
Yes,
so this
ma'am.
90, you will multiply with 2 and 5. Yes?
Why would we multiply with 1?
Because 2 don't have any pair and 5 don't have any pair. That's why.
The answer is 900, right?
Yes.
Same, ma'am.
Right? So you'll multiply it with this, and that means the answer would be 2 and 5 is 10. 90 multiplied by 10. 90 multiplied by 10 would give you 900. So 900 is the smallest square number which is divisible by each of the following. So let's see. 900 divisible by 6. Yes, ma'am. Right? 9. Yes, ma'am. 15. Yes, ma'am. So 900 is the smallest square number. Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody quickly. Ronnie, you got it what I did?
Kind of like.
Kind of? Where you are not getting? Tell me.
No,
Tell me, I'll again explain you. No worries.
like in the part when the section consists of 2 and 5.
So first what I did, I did the LCM. Okay, this you can see. So from by doing LCM, I got 90. Okay. Then I did prime factorization of 90. So I got 2335. You were not there in the previous class. That's why you don't know this, right? So in case if any of the pair is missing. Okay, let's just see. I just gave you one question and I ask you, for example, 47. Okay, or any other number, whether this number is a perfect square or not. So first thing what you have to do, you have to do the prime factorization. Okay, let's just say 57. Okay, 3 1s are 3 and 3 9s are 27, right? And 19 here, right? So if I do prime factorization of this, I got 3 and 19. So do 3 and 19 has any pair? No, right? So at that time, what I will do, if I multiply this 5, because one pair is missing here and one pair. In case, if there are 1, 3 and 1, 19, this would have a perfect square. Yes, because the pair and the pair. So that's why you people are multiplying it 3 with 19, so that if you multiply this with this, then automatically whatever the gap was there or whatever was missing, that will be required. Okay. So that's why what I did, over here, 3 has a pair, right? But 2 and 5, they didn't have any pair. So that's why I multiplied this 90 with 2 and 5, like the ones who don't have any pair. 2 5s are 10, 90 multiplied by 10 is 900. So 900 is the smallest square which is divisible by each of the number. Clear everybody? Fine? Works?
Yes, ma'am.
So should we move to the next questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will do example, like we will just start with 6.3. Okay. And we will do example number 1 today. Oh, sorry, question number 1. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
like it would be the same.
sorry.
Ma'am, I have a question. Which chapter are you doing now?
Square and square root, Ronnie.
Okay.
Okay. So, students, I hope you people can see this in the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody or anyone who can't see?
Ma'am, it's we have to do the same as you explained in the last one.
Over here, first you need to read the question. No?
What could be the possible digits of the squares of each? What?
So over here, you remember this, how you people find the ones digit,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Ma'am, we have to just get the square of the number in the ones place.
Yes. Quickly do this and tell me the answer.
So, ma'am, we can find the unit number.
Yes, only the ones digit you have to find. So only the last digit. I have just marked it, right? And you have to tell me the unit digit. I'm just doing the first one for you people. For example, 9801. Yes.
Nothing, ma'am. You can go on.
Okay. So read the question over here. A question says, what could be the possible one digit of the square root? They are not asking about this. They are asking about square root. Okay. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a difference. Okay. So for this 1, 1. So just go through the table. So tell me the square root of what would be the 1, the last digit 1.
Ma'am. 9 square.
1 and 9. Right? So 9 square is 81. So yes, ma'am, this can be.
1 square also.
And 1 square is 1. So this can be. These are the only two scenarios where the ones can be. Because see students, there is a difference between square and square root. Okay. In case over here, I will, what could be the possible one digit of the square? Right? So what would be you doing? 1 square, you will say, ma'am, the unit digit would be 1. Right? But I am not asking square. I am asking you square root. What I am asking? Square root. That means this is the answer. Right? You have to find the question here that it is ending with 1. So what can be the possible thing? So 1 square is also 1. So that means, ma'am, 1. And 9 square is also 81. So 1 is here. So that's why the answer is 1 and 9. Clear, everybody?
You have to find like all the questions. Like
Yes,
suppose
you
it
have to
has
find the root. That means you have to find whether this will be the square root of this or not. Like that. Okay? You have to find the square root. Okay? Hmm.
It can also be 11, right?
Which one?
11 square.
What is 11 square?
Is also
You
one.
have to just focus it till 10. Don't go for 11. Because it's come in a 3-digit number, no? Okay? So till 10 you just need to go. Okay? Fine? So I think you people can do the 6th and the second and other part. Everybody got it? Ronnie, you got it? What I did here?
Once digit we have to just by heart it, right? We can't
Yes.
find the square root.
Yes. Till 10 you have to by heart learn it. Because after that only it repeats. Right? Like in case...
Find the square root by finding the LCM. Wait, that one called prime factorization.
Yes.
And then the one which does not have a pair, you had to multiply or divide it with the number.
Yes.
Ma'am, mention to multiply or divide.
They'll mention it. In case if they don't, then multiply. In case they mention divide, then divide. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ronnie, you are getting this? Others, Khadija, Chakrika.
No.
Yes? Ronnie? Got it? This one? Okay. Sure? Okay. So now do the second, third and fourth one. You have to find the square root. Right? So square root means you have to find the actual number. Like you don't have to find the answer. You have to find the question. Okay? And also, Chakrika, one more thing. You said, ma'am, it can be 11. Right? So, in 11, what is the ones digit? Tell
1.
me. 1. So, it will be the 1 square only. So, why you will write 11 here? 11 is also coming from the number. Na? For example, 231. Clear? 111, then it can be. Right? So, it is also coming from 1 only. So, that's why you don't take. You have to only do the things till 10. But before that. Okay?
Once the fourth one, we only have one number, right?
No.
If it's still 10.
Do it. I'll tell you.
Yes.
I'm done. I'm done.
Okay, let's just wait for others.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finish? Anyone who is still doing? Come on. Ronnie, you are done.
No.
Okay, quickly do this. Anyone who is still writing?
Ma'am.
Okay, I'll just wait for 1 more minute. Quickly do it. So, Ronnie, you tell me the second one.
Now for second one, I got 32.
2. How?
I did what you told us to do. So I did that and then I got somehow with the 32.
Okay. Ronnie, you need to learn this chapter. Then, if you are unable to do this, okay. Okay. So, students, I'm just making a table here. Okay. 2 square is 4. 3 square is
3, 4, 6.
3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is
49.
8 square is
64.
9 square is
81.
and 10 square is
100.
100. Okay, so in this case, they have asked you square root. Okay, that means this is the question and this was the answer, right? Question and answer. So when they ask you square root, that means you have to answer question. Okay, so this is first 1. So where it is possible? 1. Here it is possible and here it is possible. So that's why for the first one, the answer was 1 and 9. Clear? Okay. Got it? Now 6.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, you will find where 6 is coming. Ma'am, 6 is coming here and 6 is coming here. Right? So what will be the answer? 4 and 6. For the second one, the answer would be 4 and 6. Clear, everybody?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
for the third one, it's the same 1 and 9.
Yeah. The third one, it's 1. So it's going to be same. 1 and 9. Now, Ronnie, you tell me the fourth one. Wait. Ronnie, you tell me the fourth one.
The fourth one is 25.
So what will be?
Not 25 only.
25, 5.
So it'll be 5.
25 is a?
5 square.
Yes, so the answer would be 5. Clear? Okay. Now, students, the same scenario. If instead of square root, I would have asked you square, then my answer would be for the first one, the square. 1 square is 1. So I would write 1. Then second, 6. 6 square is 36. So I would write 6. Okay. 5 square is 25. So I would write 5. Clear? Getting the difference? What I'm trying to say? The difference between square root and square. So square root is question. Just remember this. Question and answer. So in case if they give you square root, just write this side as an answer. Okay, you have to find the answer from here and write the answer this. But in case if it is square, then you have to find the answer from here. Clear? Everyone, is this clear? Don't make yourself confused. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one yes. What about others? Not getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Khatija, Sindoos, Chakrika, Naisha,
Yes, ma'am.
Rani.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
got
ma'am.
it.
Okay. So every time I used to do the same thing, question and answer, because sometimes we get confused, ma'am, what to write. Right? So it will hardly take you, like if it is square root, that means you have to answer in the question side. Okay. And if it is square, then you have to answer it from the answer side. Okay. Now this one with yes. Any doubt, Chakrika, Roni, Naisha, Khadija, Sindoor?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
And
Okay.
for the last one, I asked if there was only one number,
Hmm.
and then you said no. So what is the other number?
Okay, the last one.
Ma'am,
Okay,
it's
okay. I didn't remember.
compulsory to I had the
Okay, I
square
just got
root.
second one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think I heard second one. That's why I said it has two.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it compulsory to by had the square root, or we can do this technique which you did, ma'am? Just
This
write
one?
the table.
Yeah. See, it's very easy. Everybody knows table till 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I'll ask you 8 8s are
64.
4 4s are 16. So that is the same thing. So till 10, I don't think you people need to remember it. Okay.
Yes.
But yeah, till 20, you have to work a little bit hard, because even if you will not learn in 8th grade, then see, right now it's fine. But when we do long division over there, this comes. So just try. I'm not forcing you, but at least try to learn it. Okay. Because in higher class, in 9th or 10th as well, you'll get this. So it will be easy. Okay. Okay. Till 10, I think everybody knows. In my class, I think everybody knows it, and nobody need to like, oh my god, we have to learn it. Okay. Okay, now let's just come to next question. Without doing any calculation, find the number which are surely not perfect square. Okay. So how would you, without doing any calculation, how would you get to know that they are perfect square or not? So
We said the one
Uh,
that 2, 3, and 7 and 8 were not.
yes, you will check the unit digit. Yes.
So what about one?
Sorry.
Ma'am, the last one.
One. So you remember that statement where I gave you that statement that these are the unit digit, then it is not a square. And if these are the this, then it is a square. So
2,
just
3,
let
and
you know.
7 and 8, right?
Yes. And others 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9. They are the perfect square. Okay?
Then the last one is 441.
Yes. So. Tell me. 441 means, I didn't get it what you are asking.
If the unit, I mean the ones place digit is, if it's 2, 3, 7, 8, then it is not a perfect square. But for the last one, it's 441. No, the last digit is not 2, 3, 7, 8. So, ma'am, how is it not a perfect square?
441.
It's asking,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's a question, right? It's asking.
Yeah. Naisha, just read the question.
Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect squares. Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Read it again. Just read it from there. Find the number.
Find the number which are surely not perfect squares.
What does it mean?
Find
As a
the
teacher,
number.
as a teacher, you tell me what I need to do in this question. If these numbers are giving, what should I do? What should I tell? What
Find
what
the
I have to find?
surely not perfect squares.
Find. They have given you the numbers. They can be the perfect square and they cannot be. You have to find the ones which are
Oh,
not perfect square. Clear?
sorry.
Got
Sorry.
it? That's why the find is given. You have to, out of this, among this, you have to find which is not the perfect square, right? So over here, I'm just writing, I think Ronnie was not there. So Ronnie, I'm just writing it here. Tell me. For perfect square, what should be the unit digit?
For perfect square, the unit digit should be.
Okay, Nisha, you tell me.
Anything except 2, 3, 7, or 8. So,
So,
0, 1,
2, 3, 7 and
0,
8.
1, 4. Yes, ma'am.
2 also comes.
No, I was saying that like which can be a perfect square.
Okay,
0, 1, etc. Except these 4 numbers, anything can be a perfect square. But like if there are odd number of zeros, it can't be a perfect square. Other than these 2 properties, it can be a perfect square.
Okay, everybody got this now? Anyone who didn't get it?
No, I got it.
0, 3, 7 and 8. Right? Okay, 0 also. Right? But 0, it depends on whether it is an odd number or an even number. Right? So everybody quickly do this. If the number ends with this, it is not a perfect square, and other than them, it can be anything.
There's 1, 0, it counts. I mean, it's not a perfect square, right?
Yes.
I'm like, what we have to do? The question is done, right?
Yeah, you just write it down in a notebook then. This
Ma'am,
then
you
everybody
told to write this in the first class.
this one this one I gave you.
No, like you already told to write the like 2, 3, 7, 8.
Yeah, so now just write the answers of this.
Already done now.
Okay, everybody done. Okay, so should we move to the next one then? Yes. So the first one is a perfect square or not?
No, ma'am.
Not. And then the second one?
No, ma'am.
Not. And the third one?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's just do the next one. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I'll just paste it. Now this is something new that I need to teach you. Okay.
What is it so long?
Sorry?
Nothing.
Okay. So the next one over here is find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction.
Mama means division, right?
Repeated subtraction is what?
Ma'am, in this method, we have to like subtract it with odd numbers.
Yes.
Then
So
we
how would
get
you?
0.
Yes. So what you have to people I'll just do the 2 steps and then you people will do. Okay. So we'll just start with 100. Okay. So 100 you have to in repeated subtraction method you have to divide subtract it with the odd numbers. So first odd number over here is 1. Yes. So I got 99. Then this 99 second odd number is
3.
3. So you will get the answer here. The next odd number would be?
We should go 5, ma'am. Ma'am, we should go till 10. Like,
you have to find it till you get 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And similarly, you will do for 169 as well. Okay. Clear? So you will first do this and then I'll tell you.
You have to just show the steps till you don't get 0.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Then I'll tell you what is basically. And do one thing. Just write here. 1, 2.
Question.
Huh?
What if I subtracting it with odd numbers? It like when you subtract with the last odd number, what if you get the answer in negative?
No, you will not get. They'll frame the question like this only. You'll get 0.
Ma'am, we have to find 100 is different and 169 is other question, right?
Yes, yes. Just write 1, 2, 3 like this, huh? This is very important.
U after we get 0.
Sorry, Chakrika.
U after we get 0.
What once you go, like you got 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just leave it. Start doing 169. I'll tell you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 69.
Okay, everybody finished? Okay, I'll wait, don't worry.
No, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished. Should we discuss the answers? Ronnie, you are done? Ronnie,
Yes, ma'am.
done? Okay, you tell me. After doing this 99 multiplied by 3, what you got?
No, what?
93 can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So 99 minus 3 would give you?
96.
Then what should I write?
96 minus
5.
3.
5.
Huh?
Ma'am, 5, right?
Wait. Ronnie will tell me. After 3, which odd number will come, Ronnie?
5.
Then why you say you didn't wrote this in your notebook?
No, not in my notebook.
Then read it from there and tell me what you wrote.
Then
You got?
96 minus 5,
Hmm.
which we get 91.
Hmm.
Then
Then
91 minus 7, which we get 96 minus 7, which we get 9, no, 86.
Ronnie, you have not solved in the notebook.
No, sorry, yeah, I didn't notebook, but I did it in a different way. I thought we had to minus it with the number and then take any number.
Okay. So you will just quickly complete this.
Hmm.
Okay. Quickly complete it. Until then, I'm discussing this one. Okay, who will tell me this one? You do it, Ronnie, this one. 169 minus 1, students, who will tell me? Sundus, do you want to tell?
Yes.
Okay, Sundus will tell me.
169 minus 1 is equal to 168.
Hmm.
168. 168
Mm-hmm.
minus 165. 165 minus 5. 160. 160 minus 6.
6.
Minus 7 is 1.
1.
Can I?
Okay, Naisha, you tell me.
160 minus 7 is equal to 153. 153 minus 9 is equal to 144. 144 minus 11 is equal to 133. 133 minus 13 is equal to 120. 120 minus 15 is equal to...
Wait. Now, Sindhu, you tell me after 120. You have written in the notebook?
Ma'am,
You did some mistake, I think.
I just wrote a line because I thought it should be from. Yeah.
Okay, so you got 0?
No, ma'am.
Then why you stop there?
Ma'am, I thought it should be 10 at 9 or 10. And
No.
you said
You have to
only
find
all.
it, till then you get 0. Okay? Chakrika, after this you continue.
One is 120.
15 minus 15 would give you?
It's 105. And then
Then
105 minus 17 will be 88. And then 88 minus 19 will be 169. I mean 69. 69.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Wait. Now who will tell me? Gauri.
Ma'am, 69 minus 21 is equal to 48. Then 40. Wait, ma'am.
Correct.
48 minus 23 is equal to 25. Then 25 minus 25, 0.
Okay. Ronnie, finish.
What, ma'am?
Finish this one. I was waiting for you only.
Almost done.
Okay, quickly do it.
This type of question will it ask in the exam?
I don't think, because it is very time consuming. Either they'll give you a small number, right? Like for example, 25 or 50 or like 30, like that. Okay. So now what you need to do, you have to find that 169 is a perfect square of which number, right? So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many numbers are there? 30. That means 169 is a perfect square of 13. Clear? This is how. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is called subtraction now. And for this one?
Ma'am, could you repeat what you said? I didn't hear you.
Ronnie, quickly do this. Why you are so much distracted?
Ma'am, could you repeat
Have
what
someone
you
in the
said? I
room who is
didn't hear
distracting
you.
you? Ronnie?
What, ma'am?
Someone is distracting you in the room?
My brother's
Okay, so when you take the class, you can ask your brother not to come in the room now, so that he can focus.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Naisha, I was just telling you, whenever we do subtraction 1, we just count it. How many numbers are there? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 numbers. So that means 169 is a perfect square of 13. Clear?
Ma'am.
Okay. And for this one, what you get? How many numbers are there?
Ma'am, I got 9 numbers.
Ronnie, no. How come 9 number? What was the last number you got, Ronnie? Tell me.
19.
19 minus 19, na? Okay,
Yes.
read the numbers quickly.
I wrote 100 minus 1, which I got 99. And then 99 minus 3, which I got 96. Then 96 minus 7, which I